So you can do a push-up, then you're at the right place. There are three key points on doing your first push-up: strength, training frequency, and third one is the most underrated hack used by top athletes, which I will discuss at the last of the video. Know your level. Pick an incline where you can only manage about 8 tough reps of incline push-ups. Stick with that incline until you can do more than 8. Then lower the incline to make it harder. Make sure to not do this and this. Instead, keep your core tight and imagine your body as a straight line going up and down. No shame to start with the wall push-ups too. Just focus on lowering the incline and increasing your reps. Knee push-ups, and yeah, these are not girly push-ups. Go on your knees and perform the push-up. Same goal, must be 10 clean reps. Negative push-ups. Go down slowly, ideally for 3 to 5 seconds, and then come at top again and perform this. Studies show that you are 30% stronger at the eccentric phase, so why not do it? Goal must be 6 clean ones. The second key point is training frequency. Do all the above 3 exercises for 2 to 3 sets and take each set hard like a man. Do this for 3 to 4 days by keeping 48 hours of rest between 2 sessions. The third key point is the most underrated hack. Grease the groove. To increase your strength like a beast, do this. Do 8 to 10 sets of incline or knee push-ups with a break of 45 minutes in between, and remember to do 50% of your max reps. Okay, let me explain. Let's say you could do 6 incline push-ups right now. So go and do 3 push-ups, and then after 45-minute break, do another set of 3. This is effective because it trains your nervous system on the movement and it gets better at recruiting more muscle over time.